Hey friends, artist Resin here. Welcome back to my channel. Let's get creative. This time I'm going to make something different and useful. So I just bought these. This is a jar mold, very cute. So it will be like this big. So I have kept my resin ready. Let's mix the color. I'll use turquoise with some golden. I wanted to try this combination since long. Let's get started. Look at this color. Isn't it beautiful? So I'm just mixing the colors, then we'll wait for some time, and after that we can start the pouring part. So let's fast forward. Hey friends, artist Resin here. Today is 1st January 2024. Very happy new year. And this jar I had demolded on 13th December. Yeah. But I wanted to apply a tattoo or something as I found it a bit of emptiness in this. So I'll apply some tattoo sticker. So I have this one too. So I'll pick out this feather here and I'll just apply here, and then my jar will be completed. I wanted to complete it earlier, but I was too caught up in Christmas creations, and after I uploaded all the creations, I was like, I need to get some rest. Also, I was completing my push-up challenge, which I was not well in between. So that too, I am lagging behind about for 6 days. Yeah, 6 days I am behind. So what I am doing there is I am completing first the missed out days, and then I am doing the current going on day. So today is the 28th day. So I did first day number 22, as I have completed the other. I was not able to continue after 18 days. After that I was just too down, not well. I was not feeling very well, so I thought, why not take some rest, then I will continue again. So what I did, I took some rest. That's it. I needed that. So yeah, let's just I have kept some water ready here. Just tap the water here, transfer the tattoo, and we are good to go. And allow it to be transferred fully. Yeah. What is this? This is the same way. So what I will do is I'll keep it a bit slanted here. Okay. Again, we need to dab it with water to transfer it. Oops. I hope you all had a wonderful New Year celebration. Oh, my bad. I didn't peel off it. That's why I was not able to transfer it. Oops. That's why it was not keeping it in place. This one is ruined. I don't know. That's it. Let me remove it. Oh, it came out perfect. Yeah. Wow. Isn't it beautiful? Wow, I love it. So yeah, happy new year once again.